Hi everybody, how you doing today? Well, today I'm so excited again to share with you another facial. This facial is I call deep cleanse facial. This facial very good for those who have got blackheads. Because you want to remove your blackheads, right? Little hard work, not like the video number 2, but it's worth it because no pain, no gain. But remember, very little pain, but lots of gain. So to do this facial, you need similar products, but only in the place we use cleanser, we use face wash, and we use the absorb mask, and very important is the toner should be astringent or with alcohol because to sterilizing your skin after remove the blackheads, okay, to make sure about pH balance. If anyone have acne or sensitive, don't use this method to give yourself facial now, but you watch and you learn and you do later, or you can tell someone about this. Well, I will explain to you more later, but just in case I forget, if you have any question and you want to contact me, my email address with facial with parisa@gmail.com. I hope to see your comment and I have to answer all your questions if any. Okay? Okay, now you need a bowl and you need boiling water too to steam your skin, your face I mean, and the towel to cover. And if you don't like steam, you need a towel to use the hot water, to use hot towel I mean, okay, to soften the skin, to make sure the blackhead is soft, easy to squeeze and they pop out quickly. So first to start, we do the wash, okay? Make the wash. Yeah. Same. Wash your face with. Okay, now can you see me? See what? But this facial, we leave the eye contour and we also leave the neck. Okay, just leave the neck and the décolleté we do only because mainly to remove the blackheads. And the massage also different. Okay, the massage before is more, the last one, the mini facial, more relaxed and smooth, but this one is, you have to do the drainage massage. The drainage massage, we start from the forehead because drainage means to, from forehead to the neck and let, have a good drainage. After this, wash, we will use scrub, good scrub, do good scrub. In the future, I will show you how to make homemade scrub. Very good, very effective, and even eye mask, face mask for each skin type. Okay, so we start here around the mouth because if you have blackhead, it seems like the blackhead are in the chin and the nose, the teeth, sometimes forehead, even on the lip liner. Okay, so I scrub very little from my skin because I do it already like 2 days ago, and I scrub my face 2 times a week, sometimes 3 times. Okay, so after scrub, we do the massage. Okay, so the massage, totally different. Now, the massage. This is cream for massage. Okay, here, put here some. If you don't have cream, you use oil, okay? So, no muscle tone, nothing. Just you start from forehead. Okay? Tap from forehead. And remember, this massage is drainage massage, so we start all the way from forehead. And you know, do it hard. Because we need to loosen the blackheads and to soften the skin. Okay? To open all blotches. Okay? So forehead, you do this massage 10-15 minutes, how long you have time, it's okay. I just do it quickly so that you will see. Then to the nose, okay? The nose. And around, circle, then around the mouth, okay? Around the mouth, so circle again. Do more, the more you do massage. If you have more blackhead, you need more massage, okay? So, and if you have on the cheek, somewhere here, then you can massage, okay? Yeah, just circle, no pressing. In the future, I show you acupuncture facial with the massage, acupuncture massage, very, very interesting and so relaxing. So, okay, that's it. Then you do your here. This is fine, okay? And you can repeat the same stroke, same movement, as long as you have time. Minimum 10 minutes. So after this, you leave your skin, your oil, okay? You don't have to wash anything with another facial. Now you need to use the hot towel, hot water, boiling water, because you need a good steam to steam your face. If some people don't like to steam their face, you know, then you use hot towel. If you use hot towel, you use the sink from the sink water, that's fine. You see this? And then we need a towel. You cover the towel so that you can keep the steam, you know. See this? See this? Yeah. You may need more than this, but I put it a little bit just to show you. So here, put your face on, see here like this, about 15 cm distance, okay? And so now you will cover like this. See? Here. That's why I say if you don't like, you can use hot towel. That's it, very simple. Now, I will use the towel, okay, to show you. This water, don't want very hot, remember, be careful. Don't put very hot enough that you can take it, but that's it here. That's it first. And how you do this, you know, this towel, when you make it hot, you test it, and you very simple, you see, you look at the mirror, and you put it like this, okay? You put like this, and you put like this. See here, just simple as that. You leave it, if you think your nose, you can open a little bit like this, okay? It's very easy, see? Then, you find the place to sit. See here, okay? That's it. If like this, and like this. Simple as that, okay? So you do it, you repeat 2-3 times. When the towel you feel it no more warm, you change again. Because you need the blackhead to be very soft and the pore to open. So that when you squeeze, they pop out quickly. Very interesting. Now, this is little difficult, but you have to be challenged, you know. And I'm sure you will be very successful. Easy. I use the best is to use wet tissue, okay? Wet tissue is clean, hygiene, and it's wet. It keeps the blackhead also wet. You need the face to become wet, yeah? Not to make mistake to wipe all the moist, all the cream on the face. So you have to use here, just your point finger, you just rub around. So easy, you see? So easy. You just rub it and you hold it. See here, like this. And then you target where the blackhead. You have to sit near the mirror. See here, I put the mirror like this. And if you have the mirrors, you see, for magnify, even much better. And before you do, you make sure which blackhead you want to go out first. Now you target and you squeeze it, okay? The blackhead I don't have, so I cannot, I show you how to. This blackhead here, just support blackhead here. You put your finger, you press down, then you squeeze, okay? You squeeze. You practice, but if 2-3 times you squeeze and the blackhead wouldn't come out, leave it alone, because this is stubborn one. It has been there for a long time. And you need to practice little more. By the time you become expert, you can do well, do good. You just, and don't try so that to break the skin to ruin your surface, okay? Because I show you to make you look more beautiful. And if you don't care, you try hard, something happen. Mark my word, okay? So, and all the small blackheads and the new one, leave them alone. Don't do anything, don't try to squeeze to make your face very clean. Nobody can see that. But if you leave them alone, they will disappear after some time. If you try to remove them more, they come back even quicker because they have to produce the oil. Just like you go to salon, to spa, to do the nails, and you cut the cuticle, the more you cut the cuticle, the quicker they come back. That's all. Finish this. Now we need to wash, okay? Wash a little bit, then do before to sterilizing before you put the mask. So now remove the excess cream, okay? Like that, like that, like that. And then we will use exchanging lotion. I make this by myself. I'll show you in the future if I have more video to show you, okay? So here, just do this, okay? Yeah, that's so easy. Then you put the mask, remember? Put the mask, you start from here. The future, next video for the chain, I show you how to make pickles, because many request to want to make pickle, because they're kind of pickle I make with carrot, radish, and I give to everybody. Some people, and they like so much, they say, please make sale, we buy. I say, no, I retire now, I don't have the chance, I don't want to do, but I will share with you sometime. So this one we share with everybody same time together. It's very delicious, okay, and easy, very easy, and cost you like $5 to make good job. So here, see, this is, so you leave this mask 15 minutes, right? Don't use this mask for the hand like last time I told you. You don't have to. I just showed you because someone asked me what is this picture. This picture is I cover my eye. I did the facial in one of the function, and I was surprised that cover the eye, and because I know already where to touch like blind people. It was nice, it's fun. Yeah, so after 15 minutes, take off the mask and then put again the toning lotion, very important. You have to clean your skin very well, sterilizing your skin very well. Make sure that no any excess oil, no any excess element on your skin before you put the cream, okay? So next video, I don't know when, sometimes I don't have time, but if I have time, I have chance, I will try to do that. And remember, pickle. Then slowly I show you how to make mask, make another facial, I will see how it goes, okay? Okay, so try to practice few times. This facial you can do once a week, okay? And if you have many blackheads, you are very keen to do it, You can do with like after 5 days, not before that. You see? And then after that, you again the lotion. This is very important. Yeah. Lotion, lotion. Yeah, clean. Yeah, see, clean. Yeah, very clean. And this lotion, you don't use around your eye and you don't use around your neck, in your neck, okay? That's it. I will use the face cream and show you, okay? Yeah, here like this. Remember, always warm it and tap it. You no massage anymore, okay? You don't have to massage like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye now and take care. Okay.